today. Hindi ko na matandaan. Today is my what? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's the six days. So I came out from the hospital Sunday very late afternoon. So now I'm 2 days now from home. So today I received surprise cap from my hubby. Is for the Mother's Day. Yay! I know I am still in pain, but sorry guys, maybe you will see it. Oh, she just came from out of the hospital. Why she looks like that? Kasi guys, hindi ako yung tao yung gustong yung nagpapa-pay attention na yung laging nagsasakit-sakitan. Tinitiis ko guys kasi ayaw ko yung inaalagaan ako ng asawa ko. As long na makaya ko, I will help myself too. So yun ang gusto ko. Hindi yung masakit na nga, lalo kang nagsasakit-sakitan. So you must to be strong. So alam mo, so kaya kinaya ko guys. So but for this moment, I have a little bit less pain kasi I'm taking the medication. Ang dami po guys na ininom ko. So now I'm gonna start it now. I'm gonna open it the box. So mag-unboxing tayo. So ang asawa ko tinanggal na niya yung mga abubot para it is easy to open it. Kasi nga para hindi ako mahirapan, hindi ako mag-force sa sarili ko. So I'm gonna open it now. So first I wanna show it. Ta-da! So ganun siya. So ito yung ano niya. So ganun. So ganun siya. So I will do it like this. So parang mas easy like this. So ganun. Ito po siya guys. So isang seat siya. So I'm gonna paano ito matanggal? It's pain. So 100 ml siya. So malaki siya guys. So nakita mo yung design. So cute. It's nice. Kasi mayroon na rin akong Marc Jacobs. Yung Lola, yung rose siya. So with flowers din. So okay din yung asawa ko. So malaki siya guys. Ang bango niya guys. So mamaya na naman mag-allergy naman ako sa sarili ko. So tada, is nice siya. And then I have here alam mo, maano siya yung so tight, you know, difficult siya. Ito siya yung body lotion. Nakita nyo guys? Body lotion siya. So, 75 ml. And I have here also is the body clean. Super. Parang ang tagal ko na yatang umupo. Sandali lang guys. Parang siyang nag-rating. Mahaba na ba yung ano ko? So I supposed to do like reels only, so it becomes like a longer video now. So it doesn't matter because I'm gonna do it this one for my YT. So it's been a long time I did not upload this month. So but since of that one, it's already a long time ago. So I wanted to do it more constantly, even if one time in a week. I want to do that. I hopefully for the next time if I'm not sick anymore. So I'm gonna put it back first here. So I will do it at later kasi kailangan ko mag-pause. So hindi pwede. So ito yung box niya guys. So ito naman siya guys. I have this one also from a very long time ago already. For how many years already? Since when I'm still married with my ex, and he brought me this one also. And I really like this meal because it's so good. Ang bango niya talaga guys, super talaga guys. Kaya ang tagal talaga mawala guys. Kahit 2 weeks na guys, nandiyan pa sa damit mo. Kaya hinahanap ko to. So when I went always to the perfumer, I'm always asking, do you have like this? So didn't have it. At least finally my husband found it online and he found it as so good for me, and it's lucky for me too for my Mother's Day. So I have 2 presents. So this one he came very early when I'm still in the hospital, and this one he came only today. So it's supposed to be so. Actually, my husband said that it's normally more nice if that is yesterday because it's the actual day of Mother's Day. But for me, it's okay. So I'm gonna show you the new one now. So this is the new one. So it's also 100 ml. So malaki siya guys. Malaki siya guys. Super bango talaga siya guys. Super bango. So ito yung old bottle niya. So the same size siya guys. But if you can see it, the design of the flowers is like they make it change now. So this one is a little bit smaller and higher, and this one is like it's from down to up here. So where is the brand? So and this one is just only here. So I don't know how you will read it. Rose Noir is like a French if you read it, and then Giorgio Valentin. So dito siya. Maganda siya guys. Ang bango talaga siya. Super bango. Gusto ko talaga siya guys. Thank you. Parang asawa ko. Super nice talaga guys. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So, bango pa siya. Hindi siya masyadong strong. Ano siya yung parang fresh. Yung hindi masakit sa ilong. Hindi na siya masakit sa ilong. Mas strong pa nga to siya. Pero yung pagka-strong niya, hindi rin masakit sa ilong. So, pag ikaw galing ka ng maligo, ilagay mo kagad dito siya. Ay naku, napaka-super fresh niya. So, I'm very thankful to my hubby. Bye-bye.